what if I told you that the world's toughest fighters are not just winning in the octagon, they are winning all over the globe? Yes, if it ended it right. We are talking about the UFC, the Ultimate Fighting Championship. It went from being banned in 36 states to becoming a $12 billion global entertainment empire. This is how technology redefines sports, fans, and fighting.
So back in the early 2000s, UFC was struggling. There were no major TV deals, poor reputation, a lack of audience interaction and audience reach. Fans loved the fights, but the UFC needed a digital experience. They were stuck inside the ring, and UFC needed to scale, and the world was moving online, but UFC was stuck inside the ring only. That's why UFC needed a digital experience for a digital transformation and a better future.
UFC's turning point came with one very bold move, UFC Fight Pass. It actually decided who wants whatever, who watches whatever, and when. So UFC played its predictive analysis using data analytics and AI so that they can bring their players into the limelight of the world and they can make their fans globally reached and recognized. So UFC is now dominating every content in the world, including Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, short reels, everything. So now UFC is now tech-driven ecosystem and it is bringing its limelight to the world. So now UFC is doing so well that it has fans all over the globe and they are a tech-driven ecosystem, which is a really good thing.
Results absolutely explosive. Now UFC streams 170 plus countries and streams 200 million plus faces every day. This is digital transformation in UFC. Their fighters are not just fighters, they are global content creators. They had 3x plus growth in the last years and 12 million plus valuations when they merged with WWE in 2023.
The knockout wasn't just luck, it was strategy. Let me take you through what were the 5 knockout moves that UFC used to get where it is today. The first one was visionary leadership. The players, the athletes were turned into characters that were either hated or that were looked for. They were voted for by the players and by the fans. The second one is data-driven insights. They didn't just guess their market work. They went through every reel, every scroll, every comment on Twitter. The third one is direct-to-consumer model. They didn't take any insights from middlemen. They own the stage and they own the spotlight. The fourth one is personalized fan experience. The fans weren't there just to watch it. They were made to feel that they were a part of the cage. Backstories, various interactions with the players, it helped them understand the players better. And the last one was partnership with tech giants. This was important because companies like AWS and Meta, they weren't just companies that they were sponsoring. It helped them get a better reach.
UFC story teaches us one simple truth. Digital transformation is not an option, it's a weapon. Whether it's sports, business or entertainment, those who adapt, they win. UFC fought not just with fists, but with data, innovation and digital strategy. And that's how it knocked out its competition.